and a 2025 Genesis GV70 like this one. To figure out what's wrong with it, you can use an OBD scanner. That's this tool here. Come to the car beneath the dashboard and look for this port. Take the OBD scanner and plug it into that port. Once you plug it in, the OBD reader will light up. This is almost like playing a little video game. You start up the car and it will give you codes to tell you what's wrong with the car. Scroll down to OBD2 diagnosis. OBD2 is a standard. So all these codes on every car mean the same thing. Hit enter. Now hit enter for engine diagnosis. Read fault codes. This car has nothing wrong with it. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase an OBD reader like this one.